Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Blocks JJS. First, understand that Blocks JJS provides an intuitive, visual way to learn and apply JavaScript concepts. It transforms complex code into simple, drag-and-drop blocks, making programming accessible for everyone, especially those new to coding. This approach allows you to focus on logic and problem-solving rather than intricate syntax. You can build a wide array of projects, from simple animations to more complex applications, all within a user-friendly interface. To begin, navigate to the Blocks JJS online platform using your preferred web browser. Once there, you will see the main workspace, which is your canvas for building programs. On one side, you'll find the block palette, organized into categories like logic, loops, and variables. Take a moment to explore these categories and familiarize yourself with the available blocks. Remember to save your work frequently, perhaps every 5 to 10 minutes, to ensure your progress is always secure. Now let's construct your first program. Simply drag a block from the palette and drop it onto the main workspace. Notice how blocks have specific shapes that allow them to snap together, much like puzzle pieces. For instance, a print block might connect to a loop block. Experiment with different block types, such as those for mathematical operations or text manipulation. You can build a sequence of actions, creating a program that performs a specific task, perhaps displaying a message or performing a calculation. After assembling your blocks, it's time to see your program in action. Locate and click the Run button, typically found at the top of the interface. Your code will then execute, and any output, such as text or visual changes, will appear in the designated display area. If your program doesn't behave as expected, don't worry, this is a normal part of the process. Carefully review your block connections and the logical flow. Many platforms offer helpful debugging features, like highlighting active blocks to pinpoint errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.